One of the most coveted experiences in aviation is building your own aircraft. In many cases, this can be overwhelming and unreachable for most pilots. But what if you could acquire all of the skills necessary in as little as one day and have the first piece of your new airplane completely finished? Zenith Aircraft Company is making the process of building your own airplane more accessible than ever. During our 1 or 2 day workshop class, you will get hands-on experience building the rudder of your Zenith aircraft. You will learn how to understand aircraft blueprints, work with sheet metal, part assembly, measuring, drilling, and riveting, what tools you'll need and the skills to use them, and much more. The best part is you don't need any prior experience, skills, or tools to attend. We take care of that for you, so you can focus on learning. Space is limited, so don't wait to sign up. Visit zenithair.net to see our workshop dates and secure your spot. Until then, blue skies and tailwinds.